Hey guys, welcome to the info channels. I'm Ranga from www.securityguardexam.com. Today in this video, I will talk CCTV operator duty and their responsibility. Who are in the control room? The security control room operator perform various defined duty and huge responsibility depending on the organization and the security equipment have installed there. There may be the several duty and the responsibility of the security control room operator. There may be the other party involved in the control room operation. Control room supervisor, security system operator or the CCTV operator, and communication operator. In the control room, there may be the three person involved. One control room supervisor, security system operator or CCTV operator, and the communication operator. Main duty of the CCTV operator. Depending on the site, the security system operator or the CCTV operator may require to install the CCTV system. Constantly focus and monitor the site activities via CCTV or other surveillance system. Respond to the intrusion alarm by instructing the team. Control remotely such as gate, door or other access point. Be high-level vigilance. Attention to the detail of every activity. Okay, these are the main duty of the CCTV operator or the control room operator. Daily duty and responsibility. Just before we learn the main duty of the CCTV operator, here are the daily duty and the responsibilities. Number 1, the daily system check. Number 2, live video monitoring. Number 3, video patrolling. Number 4, live incident tracking. Number 5, retrieving recorded image. Number 6, other duties. Okay, let's go to detail of the each duty. The daily system check. Camera status 100% functional. Resolution of the video is good. CCTV operating system working, controller and the software. Recording the retrieval system is working. Keeping a record on the daily system check and logbook. Okay, these are the things you have to check before you start the duty. Number 2, live video monitoring. Video monitoring is the primary duty of the CCTV operator. It is important that every 5 minutes should monitor the video feed from the available camera. Okay, every 5 minutes you have to check back the camera. Okay, attention to detail. When you are monitoring the video, you have to pay attention to detail. Focus. Unusual activities, suspicious activities, and questionable things. When you are monitoring the camera, you have to pay the attention to detail. And you should focus the unusual activities there, suspicious activities, and if there is a questionable things, the things is not mess surrounding the area, also you have to focus that. Number 3, video patrolling. It is the systematic monitoring of certain area of the company. You should conduct the visual inspection of the designated route and sequence of the camera. There is no incident, but you are surveillance the area to identify the abnormal activities over there. Okay, video patrolling also the monitoring the area, but you will monitor the specific area. If there is no incident also, you have to monitor to identify if there is any suspicious activities or if there is any risks, if there is any threat to the company's safety and security. Okay, you have to video patrol the vulnerable or critical area, remote and low activities area not covered by the foot patrol. Okay, this area you have to do the video patrolling from the control room. Live incident tracking. When the incident detected by the operator, they should track the other element which may involve. You should also monitor the surrounding area to find the more detail about the incident. Live incident tracking is a monitoring the incident, the place or the person they may involve. Track the available camera feed to monitor the location and activities of the party who have involved. Report the incident to the communication operator or directly to the supervisor. Report what activities have been going there to the supervisor or the communication operator. Be vigilant to further safety and the security threat during the ongoing incident. Effective communication during the live incident tracking is the important part of the incident response. Okay, when you are tracking the incident, at the time you have to follow these things. Number 5, retrieving recorded image. Okay, if the incident requires further investigation, the CCTV operator may need to retrieve the recorded footage from the backup. In this case, you need to retrieve the recorded image or the video from the backup. Internal investigation for incident. Training activities. Providing the police to assist the investigation for the particular case. Other duties. Depending on the site requirement, the CCTV operator may require to perform the other various tasks. Some of them are security patrol on foot or in the vehicle, depending on the site. Access control, depending on the site. Controlling and issuing key. Operating as a key holder. Maintaining logbook and register. Okay, these are the additional tasks of the security guard, but these tasks depends on the company requirement. Thank you guys for watching the video. I request you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon because you will not miss any video. You will get the instant notification when I upload new video on this channel. And if you have any questions, you can comment below. Or to get more information regarding this video, you can visit our website www.securityguardexam.com. Thank you and see you.